Hi there, my name is Emilie.McKennon. Welcome to Guarantee RV. We are located in Junction City, Oregon, between Corvallis and Eugene, right off of the Highway 99. So come see us and come and see this beautiful new Newmar Kountry Star. This is a 4002 floor plan, brand new for 2020. Let's go on inside. All right, so we are inside of the Newmar Kountry Star. This is, again, a 4002 floor plan. It does have full body paint, side view cameras, and a rear view camera. All that's going to be displayed on this color monitor right behind the camera person here. So you've got two monitors there. One is for navigation, radio, etc., and then one is for your camera viewing. So that's very convenient. You are going to have a digital dash. You do have an equalizer system, so it's auto leveling. And then all of your controls, they've now changed, are going to be directly on your steering wheel. So all of your drive system controls are going to be there. It's much more convenient, less distracting, so much a safer drive the way that they're doing it in 2020 and going forward. Beautiful flex steel furniture. And this is a gorgeous dual tone ultra leather. These seats do turn around. You've got all of your control panels right here, as you can see. Slide out systems for the front two slides. And speaking of slides, this is a full wall slide going this way on the driver's side, which I love. It really opens up the floor plan completely. You've got so much room in the living space, so much more room in the kitchen. This is a 1.5 bath, by the way, and then it also provides a nice, beautiful, wide entryway into that bedroom and second bathroom. So first off, I'm going to show off these recliners. These are very comfortable. Every time I have a customer sit down in them, they just sink in. It's like a cloud. You've got a nice sturdy table here with super long drawers for storage. Look how much that pulls out. And you can just store all of your things in there. They are soft close. You've got the multiplex system. Beautiful wall lighting accents and beautiful window accents as well. Nice solid wood construction on the cabinets. Newmar is one of the best insulated RVs in the market, and this is a great coach if you're looking for an entry-level diesel or if you're looking to downsize to a smaller diesel. This would be a great fit. This does have a televator, which is super awesome. I love these things. They stay flush with the countertop when they're down, and then they just lift up with the touch of a button. And by the way, that button is right here by your recliners, so very convenient. You don't have to get up and out of the chair. This does pull down into a jackknife sofa, so that's an extra sleeping space there. It does have a couple of seat belts. And this also folds down. This is a nice Euro booth with the pads on the back here. And this does fold down also into a second sleeping option as well. You do have storage on either side. So 1 and 2. Newmar is really good about placing storage wherever they can. This is your half bath. It does have the door that folds in. This is to make it easier for you to access this bathroom when the slide is in. So again, if you're traveling and your passengers need to use the restroom, or if you're parked at a rest area, you need to use the restroom, you don't have to pull that slide all the way out. I'm going to show off the kitchen a bit. Again, tons of drawers. Utensil drawer. Nice big flat drawers, all soft close. This does have a gas stove. Beautiful, nice chrome. And it's got that cast iron grill on there. I think that's a really classy touch. And then you've got a huge Whirlpool convection microwave oven. These are really easy to cook with. So you don't have an oven. Instead of a gas oven, you've got extra storage, which is, everybody loves the extra storage when you're going camping or when you're going on for a long trip, for weeks at a time perhaps. That storage really counts. Beautiful solid surface countertop. Nice stainless steel sink. Very deep basins. So you've got that. You can close one out and use one for prep space and still have a sink to use. Beautiful tile backsplash. Moving into the master area, you've got a ton of storage space. Nice and deep hanging rod there if you need it. Tons of drawers. You've got 6 drawers here, and they're nice and deep. You've got kind of a his and her closet, plus your own TV in the back. So people in the front can watch TV. There's actually 2 TVs up front. There's one above the driver's side there. So 1, 2, 3 TVs inside. This is a beautiful and very comfortable king-size bed. And then as we move into the bathroom here, turn some light on. You've got a toilet that kind of saves water, so you can add water, flush. So you also have an egress door here in case of an emergency. That's a second exit, and you just unlock, you push it out, and then there's actually a telescoping ladder that will come out. You've got a beautiful, nice big radial shower. That's glass. Nice and big shower with a removable handle. You've got extra storage space here, little drawer here. So just trying to point out all the amount of storage that you can have in this coach. A beautiful amount of, very large amount of counter space in this bathroom. Again, more storage, couple little drawers there, and then your medicine cabinet. And if we turn this direction, you actually do have a spot if you choose to have a washer dryer. So this is, can be added in. We do that for you if you'd like. We can have it in before you take delivery so you're all set to go on your trip. Or you can keep it as an extra closet. As you can see, there's tons of closet space for all of your extra belongings. This is an absolutely fun coach to drive. I love driving these. They're very simple, very quiet, and just a really great drive. It's a really great all-around coach. And if you'd love to come and see it in person and learn more, my name is Emilie.McKennon, and I can be reached at 541-998-1148, and my extension is 2519. And until next time, enjoy the road.